Hello, I just finished converting our Dancing Jewels bracelet kit into the necklace option that we'd offered. And I just think it turned out so beautiful. I really love it. Right, we have two new palettes out for Pantone's Colors of the Year. The Bellini Dreams, which is a beautiful blushy peachy pink palette based off their Color of the Year Peach Fuzz. And then Island Breeze is our other palette, right, full of beautiful aquas and teal colors. And then the Dancing Jewels bracelet kit is a kit you can add on to the palette that can be made with the palette that's so pretty. And so I've always loved this bracelet, but I thought there's no reason why it also can't be a necklace. And so I ended up converting the gold bracelet into a necklace, and I didn't expect to really love it this much. I just think it's stunning. And this has the clasp in the front. You don't have to do that. You can do like just the dangles in front and put the clasp in back. I'm going to do that next and take a photo of that for the listing. But I just thought I'd do a quick video with her. I just think it's so pretty. So there's a handful of each palette left, and then we have several different like design kit options you can add on. This Dancing Jewels is just one of them. That is a bracelet kit, or you can add on the necklace extension to do this design. And it includes, of course, all the materials, all the instructions, and a full online class video showing you how to do all these different options with this design. So I'll leave links below, but wow, it's really pretty. I just, so light and pretty for summer, right? So special. So thanks.